Hello, I am Mark from the Diocese of Oradea, Romania, and we have come here with Father Alexandru Vancos, and we are here representing the parish of Szőlős, Várad Szőlős, and this is our first time here in Medjugorje at Mladifest. It's great. I think the community is very nice, everyone is very friendly. I love the vibes, and we come here praying for our parish, our country, our family members at home, and each with his own intentions, each to his own. That's about it.
Hi, my name is Matthias. I'm from England, and this is my first time in Medjugorje, and it's just very inspirational, like pilgrim. It's making me like grow a stronger connection with God. It brings me more at peace. It helps me pray for all my loved ones, pray for all those who are sinners, because we are all sinners. I'm trying to improve myself and pray for others as well, because we are weak. We need strength from God. And this is going to allow me to focus and really send my prayers through to those who need it.